Think it over. Think it over. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Dear students, today we learn 75 simple English sentences that we use in our daily life. So let's get started. What did you say? What did you say? Please say something. Please say something. Just wait few minutes. Just wait few minutes. I am feeling confident. I am feeling confident. You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. Use your brain sometimes. Use your brain sometimes. I have no money. I have no money. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Where do you live? Where do you live? Don't look here and there. Don't look here and there. Call me any day. Call me any day. She hate him. She hate him. I need to think about it. I need to think about it. I walked in the morning. I walked in the morning. I have done this. I have done this. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. That's all right. That's all right. How are you? How are you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hold this for me. Hold this for me. Shut this door. Shut this door. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. That's very interesting. That's very interesting. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. We see them every week. We see them every week. I am not sleeping well. I am not sleeping well. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. The dog is jumping in the pool. The dog is jumping in the pool. I am going to the store tomorrow. I am going to the store tomorrow. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. He is a good student. He is a good student. I went to bed late last night. I went to bed late last night. You are so helpful. You are so helpful. We were ready to go out for dinner. We were ready to go out for dinner. We wake up early this morning. We wake up early this morning. We had a good at the party. We had a good at the party. The sun is hot today. The sun is hot today. I am writing a book. I am writing a book. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. We did it. We did it. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. I like your smile. I like your smile. I have a new book on my desk. I have a new book on my desk. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. I want to be with you forever. I want to be with you forever. You are funny. You are funny. My sister likes to play the piano. My sister likes to play the piano. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. You deserve better than this. You deserve better than this. She got a new car. She got a new car. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. This is unfair. This is unfair. Come quickly. Come quickly. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. This is not fair. This is not fair. Shame on you. Shame on you. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Think it over. Think it over. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Did you try? Did you try? Serve the lunch. Serve the lunch. It's my decision. It's my decision. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. We like to read books. We like to read books. It's time for bed now. It's time for bed now. We went camping last weekend. We went camping last weekend. We go to holiday every winter. We go to holiday every winter. I am taking an English class. I am taking an English class. I am sorry. I am sorry. Stop making noise. Stop making noise. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. You are a genius. You are a genius. I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes.